traumatized. His sister disappeared months ago, but one night, the boy heard scratching from the locked, empty room, so he stole the key, opened the door, and froze. Behind the closet was his missing sister, still alive. She whispered, "That woman is not our mother." Before he could answer, footsteps came from the hallway. The next night, he called 911 again. This time, police didn't leave. They searched the house, found his sister, then found an old missing poster hidden under the floor. It showed two babies, taken 11 years ago, and their faces were his and his sister's. The woman screaming in handcuffs. What are the scariest Roblox live stream moments?
Dusun awag ya, Dusun!
His chat kept suggesting called Cheese Bread, and at first he thought it was just a joke because of the silly name and the fact that all you do is roll a ball around. But the game quickly got weird when the ball started moving on its own, leading to Kayla's freaking out and eventually being caught, which triggered an incredibly loud sound. This streamer was playing Fine F Doom. He got confused as to why Bonnie was acting so strange, since he knew the animatronics were all supposed to be chasing him. He tried to laugh it off, but then Bonnie started acting scared, which is when he slowly looked behind him. But the scariest happened to this streamer, who was playing a horror game expecting the usual Roblox jump scares, until he...
Guys, I'm gonna study. So, I must finish this. So, I'm gonna be fun.
Finish ka dito kay ma-finish jok sing papabuanga ka.
Finish. Guys. Instruction, put a mark. Iput daw kanima.
No?
Iput.
Put mark /mark if the pair of words rhyme and X if not. So if pareha daw og sound.
This way.
Ha? Day.
Days.
Nya sway.
Sway. Pariwoy.
Di put.
Slide by. Delay.
X.
X. Away, say X.
Away.
Ay,
Nya say.
tama. Accept yourself. Check. Yes or no. X.
Bro naman ni butangin nag-name. Bro na kanang kanang ilo. Ayo na yung ability. Ya kay nag-effort ba si teacher ana mag-print.
Tay.
Dili ba ya ka private school na ha? Public school na ba ya ka?
Huh? Dito ka private?
Dili uy.
Wala, pinagpalong.
Ayaw mag-kuan ba kay. Next.
Instructions. Write if the statement is true and F if the statement is false on the blank.
No.
A circle has no corners. True.
Oh? A circle has no corners. Unsa man ang corners? This is the corners. Nara is corners ang circle.
Yeah.
Oh, ay sig magbinugo ba? Answer dayon, wala pa naguna-una.
In my time.
Number 2.
A circle and a rectangle have corners. F.
Nalagyan ang tinapay.
Tapos,
Nalagyan ako mamirinda ka ang tinapay.
a circle and rectangle and a square. A circle, a rectangle, a square. Ito magikwan. A?
Ay,
D?
di pandar niya.
Basahan sa tanan.
Magipalong nga ha. Kay,
Basa sa tanan ng number 3 bago ka mag-answer. Unsa kung ginaingon si mo pa mag-exam, humanon lagi ang question lagi ug basa. Dili kay sa tunga-tunga lang ka magbasa.
rectangle. Wala mo ganito nga tunga o basa.
Sige na.
Rectangle, a half corners. A circle, rectangle, a a triangle have both corner sides. Ma, F, ma.
Unsa may ingon?
A circle, a rectangle, a square, and a triangle have both and sides.
Pwede manggadra di pag
Ma, tama. F,
Eh,
ma.
Daw let me see. F imong answer dire?
Yes.
A circle, a triangle, a square, and a square and a triangle have both corners and sides. Kama man siya na kama. Sige, ano F?
tamang. Dan, nagpanaog, Dan. Dan. Patuga-tuga.
Sige.
Yes, mama.
O, lasan ni. Di kay ta magsige study way, advance man ka.
Advance.
Sige na.
A circle is round. A
Di
circle.
mapata kayo tripan, kainit.
A circle is a round. True? Ma? See?
Ako ni tripan, kainit.
Di.
Na, makakabila ah. Hindi ba? No.
If
Unsa day ng number 5, o man mo gibasa.
a circle and a rectangle sides have no sides. If ma?
Basahag og tarong B.
A
Before ka mag-decide na
circle
mag-answer.
and a triangle have no sides. Ay, if ma?
Usaba.
Ma?
Usabag basa usaba.
A circle and a triangle have no sides. Ay, T.
Tama uy F. A circle and a triangle have no sides.
Uy, ipanda na naman ang electric fan ko magamay. Ibalo sa palangga. Na.
Pangit nga. Paano to makita ng mga salitang nang sisimula sa magtulong na P-R-D-H at
Gani.
W. Ma.
Hmm?
Na at W na may dalawang
Kaptoy. Oh.
Hawag na sa English ta. Gabidyo ki gani.
pati
Advance man ni sila
ng
dito good.
makikita
Basa na sila dito.
sa ng
Pero
bahay.
Pilipino. Na mga bata ga.
Sa English ta.
Ang
Gabidyo ki na gani na.
Gabi joki na. Oh.
Pinabasa ng video ki.
Joki na siya.
Mama na ako ni grade.
Ang Pilipino lang siya maglisod sa siya. Okay.
Karon kay dili na.
Gabi. Magsalita ng mga salitang. Ano ba niya yung first language mang no English?
Gani, taon na.
Ay, gabi yun siya.
English.
Ang
Magsalita ng mga salita nagsisimula sa mga tunog
That's mine!
H
Okay.
at W na magdalawang pantig na sa mga bahay. Oh, sige. Basaha. Unsa may mong na-understand sa instruction?
pero makaread man ko pero di ko ka ma.
Hindi ka kasabot? I-try
Pero
lang.
makaread.
I-try guess lang. Sige lang. I-read first niya. I-try o guess. Then,
Paano
correct na na ako.
paano to maglista na masalita tang nagsisimula sa